Chrissy Teigen recently released her go-to summer cocktail recipe, a watermelon slushie with vodka. And today I'm gonna try it out. Now it is worth noting that if you are trying to have this for your cocktail hour, you're gonna have to plan a few hours in advance, maybe even a day advance, because you have to freeze the watermelon. I didn't know this when I was planning yesterday, so that'll teach me to read the instructions. The cool thing about this recipe is that the vodka is not essential. You can swap out whatever alcohol you prefer, or you can go no alcohol at all. You do you. Normally, I would want to swap out tequila. I'm more of a tequila fan myself, but today I'm just gonna go with vodka to stick with the OG recipe. First, we dissect the watermelon. Actually, first we wash the watermelon. So I've never actually cut into a watermelon before, but I've watched hopefully enough videos that have taught me how to do it. I do know that you want a flat edge to start with. So I'm gonna make a little cut like so. Now we hack into it. Probably a serrated knife would be best for this job. All right, not too bad. Oh, actually I want a flat end here too. And I want 4 cups of cubed watermelon. I'll cut around the outside. I think that's how you're supposed to do it. Oh gosh, you just want to eat it at this point. Can't say this is my prettiest work yet, but it gets the job done. Save that. Put that in another cocktail. Now I'm gonna make a little lime simple syrup, if you will. I need a 4th cup of fresh lime juice. Don't have much in my kitchen, but I do have one of these, which I'd highly recommend. I mean, that's efficient. That's about a 1/4 cup of lime juice. I'll mix this with 1/4 cup of sugar. Whisk it up. Here I have a baking sheet prepped with parchment paper. And I'm going to spread out my chunks. And this will just drizzle on top. Make sure they get all coated. There's like so much juice at the bottom of this. That'll be in the freezer for 4 to 24 hours. I also have my vodka chilling in the freezer with it, so it is properly chilled for cocktail hour. Looking good, looking frosty. I mean, this has to just taste good on its own. Yum. Now for the fun part. Time to blend it up. I guess as much as my blender will fit. Okay, I need a bigger blender. This is a cup. I guess I'll stop at a 1/2 cup. I think I can add a little bit more now. You also want to add this frozen liquid. That is flavor. Rest of my vodka. I hate this blender. Just needs a little workshopping. No, that's good enough. Voila! Now we drink. Oh my gosh, it looks really good. As you can see, it makes enough for 4 servings. It's pretty good. I'm pumped because I get to use mint to garnish from my little mint garden. Brand new. I'm a new plant mom. We're trying to be. Because mint makes every cocktail better. I actually don't really know how you're supposed to dress up a cocktail. Okay, that's adorable. All right, let's give it a try. Now that we've dressed it all up, cheers. That is delicious. I mean, this is just fun. It's cute. It tastes delicious. Who can deny a pink frozen cocktail? I mean, no. You really cannot taste the vodka in here. Should you be concerned? Just be careful. Try it out. Let me know how it goes. I know you're gonna love it. Now do me a quick favor and let me know in the comments below what you want to see me try next. I am always looking for new hacks and tricks or recipes. You name it, I'll try it. Also, make sure that you're keeping up with all of our MyRecipes content on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Now, what do I do with the other half of my watermelon? Let me know.